Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Fatuk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. And now I am going to conduct an English language class for the students of class 1. And our today's topic is from your Enjoying Grammar book, lesson 9, exercise 1 and 2 discussion. So let's try to do it. Dear students, this is lesson 9. It's about doing words. Dear students, in bracket you may see verb. So if I ask you that what is verb, then a question may arise from you that the answer may arise from you that doing words. Okay, what do you mean by doing words? Is such kind of word by which some actions are taken place, such as eat, sleep, jump, run, read, write. All these place an action. Okay, these words are called doing words. Doing words tell us what a person, an animal, or a thing does. Since these words show action, they are also called action words. Okay, that means action words and doing words are the same and they are called verbs. Okay, so all these are doing words or action words or verb. Eat, sleep, jump, run, read, write, all this. Okay. And now we will do exercise 1. Underline the doing words in the box. Dear students, number 1 is done for you. Play. You know that play is a doing word. Then is yellow doing word? No. Draw is draw doing word? Yes. Then we will underline draw. Then lion. Lion is a noun. So skip. Dear students, skip is a doing word. Then sing. Sing is also a doing word. Stage. Stage is also doing words. Then tree. Dear students, is tree doing word? No. So we will not underline it. Then girl. Girl. Girl is not a doing word. Talk. Talk is doing word. Letter. Letter is not doing word. Then cut. Cut is also doing word. Book. Not doing word. Roar. Roar is a doing word. Then teacher. Teacher is not doing word. Build. Build is doing word. Throw. Throw something is doing word. Then Rita. Rita is a name. Laugh. Laugh is a doing word. Skirt. Skirt. Skirt is not a doing word. Okay? Dear friends, now we will do exercise 2. What is written here? In exercise 2, it is written here, complete the sentences using the doing words in the box. That means we have to complete these gaps with the doing words from the boxes. Dear students, then we need to know what are these words. Number 1, drinks. You know the meaning of drinks. Then swims. Then sings. Then jumps. Then runs. Then waters. Dear students, you are quite familiar with the term waters. You know what is the meaning of water. But when the water, when extra s is added to the word water, then we have to know that on that time its form changes, because waters means to give water in plants. Okay. Then let's try to complete these gap fillings. Number 1, the boy jumps over the fence. Here you may see that a boy who is jumping over the fence. So here the boy is a singular word, that means it's a third person singular number, so we have to use jumps. Okay. Then number 2, the gardener gave the plants in the garden. Here you may see that someone is watering the plants, so here we have to write waters. Number 3, the cat dash the milk. The cat gave the milk. What is the cat doing? The cat is drinking the milk. So here would be the cat drinks the milk. Then number 4, the girl gave a song. The girl gave a song. The girl is doing what? The girl sings. Here is the word sings. Then number 5, the fish gave in the sea. The fish gave in the sea. The fish swims in the sea. Swims in the sea. Then number 6, last one, the deer gave very fast. The deer gave very fast. Dear students, what does the deer do? We can see that the deer is running. So we have to write runs. Dear students, now look all the answers of exercise 2. I hope these all are very much easy to you to answer. And this is the end of the class. I hope you all have understood today's class, and for your better understanding, go to the book and practice it more and more. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.